In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new event in Lightning on Mozilla Thunderbird. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means so your event is set up clearly and shows up exactly where you expect it. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird so you're on the main window. We're going to move into the calendar view, which is where event creation happens. Look for the calendar icon in the toolbar or sidebar. It usually looks like a small calendar page. Click it to switch from mail to calendar. You should now see your calendars on the side and a day, week, or month grid in the main area. Next, start a new event by selecting New Event. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a button at the top or within the calendar panel. When the event window opens, you're in the right place to enter the details that make your event useful and easy to find later. Begin with the title field. Keep it short but descriptive so it's recognizable at a glance. Then add the location. This could be a room, an address, or a brief note like video call. Including a clear location helps with search and quick scanning on busy days. Choose a category if you use color coding. Categories make it much easier to distinguish types of events like meetings, deadlines, or personal reminders, and they help you spot conflicts faster on the calendar grid. If the event spans the whole day, check the all-day event box. This removes specific times and anchors it across the date. If you need precise timing, set the start and end fields. Double-check the date and time and make sure they align with your schedule, especially if you work across multiple calendars. If this is a repeating event, open the repeat options and pick the pattern that fits: daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. It's a good idea to set an end date or a number of occurrences so recurring series don't continue longer than you need. Add a reminder so you get notified before the event begins. Pick a lead time that gives you enough buffer to prepare. In the description, include any notes, agenda items, links, or context you'll want handy when the event arrives. If you have supporting documents, use attachments to keep everything in one place. Finally, add attendees if you plan to invite others. This keeps everyone aligned and can send invitations through your connected calendar service. Once the details look right, your event will appear on your calendar at the date and time you selected. That's all there is to creating a new event in Thunderbird's Lightning Calendar.